Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going deep into the art of packing for a 5-day wilderness trip.
Whether you're heading out into the mountains, the desert, or the deep woods, packing smart can make or break your experience. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to bring, how to pack it, and a few pro tips to help you stay light, safe, and organized on the trail.
Let's start with the big picture. A successful 5-day trek depends on 3 key principles. Carry only what you need, make it all easy to access, and protect your gear from the elements. Let's break that down. First up, your backpack. For a 5-day trek, I recommend something in the 50 to 65 liter range. This gives you room for everything you need without tempting you to overpack. Try to keep your base weight, that's everything minus your food and water, under 20 pounds if possible.
Weight distribution matters.
You want heavy items close to your spine and centered between your shoulders. That means your tent, food bag, and stove go in the middle. Sleeping bag and clothes go on the bottom.
And your lighter items like your rain jacket or first aid kit can go on top or in your lid if you have one.
Take your time and pack it snug. A stable, balanced pack is your best friend on uneven terrain. Next, shelter. A lightweight tent or a reliable tarp setup works well. If you're in bug country, don't skip the mesh. For sleep, I use a foam or inflatable sleeping pad
And a down sleeping bag rated for the coldest temperatures I may see. Bonus tip, stuff your sleeping bag into a dry sack or garbage bag, just in case your pack gets soaked.
Sleep is everything out here. Don't skip on comfort if you don't have to. For cooking, I go simple.
A small camp stove, 1 pot.
A lighter and waterproof matches are non-negotiable. Bring both.
Food is fuel. Aim for about 2,500 to 3,000 calories per day, depending on your exertion level. That usually means a mix of freeze-dried meals, protein bars, peanut butter, tortillas, chia seeds, nuts, and dried fruit. Pre-pack each day's food into Ziplocs. It saves space and keeps you organized.
Don't forget your bear hang system or bear canister if you're in bear country. Keep your food, toothpaste, and scented items away from camp. And don't sleep in the clothes that you cook in. These may attract the carnivores that you're so desperately trying to avoid. Speaking of clothing, let's talk clothing.
The key is layers. You want a moisture-wicking base layer, a warm mid-layer like fleece or down, and a rain shell. For pants, I bring 1 pair for hiking, 1 for camp, and sometimes shorts if the forecast is warm. Pack 2 to 3 pairs of socks and underwears and rotate them daily. Everything should be quick dry and synthetic or wool. Leave it on at home. I like to keep clothes in the outside compartment of my backpack,
So I can grab what I need without digging through the whole pack.
You'll need at least 2 liters of water capacity. I carry a hydration reservoir and a water bottle. For filtration, my go-to is a gravity filter, but there are great pump and squeeze systems out there too. Always know your next water source. Apps like Gaia GPS or Maps.me can help.
Or even better, carry a physical map marked with springs and streams. Never rely on just your phone. Bring a physical map and compass and know how to use them.
A fully charged headlamp is a must, even if you don't plan on hiking at night.
Pack a basic first aid kit.
Pack a first aid kit, including blister care, pain relievers, and any personal meds. And don't forget a whistle.
It's a time-tested signaling tool if you get lost or injured.
Toiletries are simple. Trowel, TP, Ziploc for used TP, hand sanitizer, toothbrush, and toothpaste. Always pack out your used hygiene items. Burying them is actually outdated and harmful. Even cat holes are no longer ideal, especially in fragile environments. While white bags are an option, they introduce more synthetic waste into the environment. So, I propose an alternative. Add local fungi with root systems to the hole. Their mycelium helps break down waste naturally.
I said fungi, not fungis.
Leave no trace isn't just a slogan. It's a practice.
It's a practice. It's a practice.
That means packing out all trash, being considerate with human waste, and staying on the trail. Once everything's packed, adjust your shoulder straps, hip belt, and sternum straps so the weight rides on your hips.
Do a test walk. If something feels off, repack.
Remember, you're not just carrying gear, you're carrying confidence. A well-packed bag means fewer worries and more joy on the trail. And that's how you pack like a pro for a 5-day wilderness trek.
It might take a few tries to dial it in, but every trip is a chance to learn and improve.
If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more wilderness wisdom, and let me know in the comments what's one thing you'll never hike without. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trekking.